Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Applied Linguistics and Language Learning. Definition of applied linguistics: dictionary, field that focus on the practical application of language, relate research to real-world problems. It involves using theories, methods, and findings from linguistics to solve issues in areas such as language education, translation, language policy, speech therapy, and more. For areas of study, applied linguistics offer a wide range of areas where language knowledge is used to address practical challenges. Here are the key areas you can highlight in your presentation. 1. Second language acquisition is LA. Studies how people learn a second or foreign language. Investigate factors like motivation and learning environment have improved teaching methods and learning outcomes. 2. For areas of study, language teaching and methodology focus on designing effective ways to teach language, inform the development of teaching materials, curriculum, and instructional strategies, include approaches like competitive language teaching (CLT) and text-based learning. 3. Language assessment and testing. Development tools and strategies for measuring language proficiency ensures tests are valid, reliable, and fair, e.g. TOEFL, IELTS. Important for educational placement, job qualification, and immigration. The next slide is for sociolinguistics. Explore how language is used in your society and how it varies by region, class, gender, and culture. Examine issues like language and identity, dialects, and language discrimination. 5. Psychology-linguistics studies the material process involved in language comprehension, product, and acquisition, help understand language, desire, and continued development. 6. Disproportion analysis how language is used in text, conversation, and media. Looks at meaning beyond the sentence level, include tone, context, and purpose. The next slide is 7. Translation and interpretation studies. Applied linguistic knowledge to improve translation accuracy and communication across language, include both human and machine translation tools. 8. Language policy and training improves education about language use in education, government, and society. Aims to promote language preservation, multilingualism, or standardization. Language learning theories in applied linguistics. Language learning theories are essential in applied linguistics because they guide with how we understand, teach, and support the acquisition of new language. Below are the most influential theories is offering a unique perspective on how language learning happens. 1. Behavior theory. Ideal language learning is a habit formed through repetition and reinforcement. Pioneers E.F. Skinner, application, drill, reception, and memorization, e.g. audiolingual methods. Criticism overlooks the learned creativity and internal mental process. The next slide is 2. Nativist or theory. Ideal humans are biologically programmed to learn language. Pioneer Noam Chomsky. Concept language acquisition device (LAD). helps children acquire language naturally. Application emphasize exposure to language rather than formal instruction. 3. Cognitive theory. Key idea is language learning is part of general cognitive development. Pioneers Jan Pagan information processing theories. Application focus on mental process like attention, memory, and problem solving in learning. Teaching implication, structure, input, and meaningful practice. 4. Socio Vygotsky concept zone of proximally development (GPD) scaffolding application is group work, collaborative tasks, and teacher support during learning. Interaction theory. Ideal interaction between the learner and others is essential for language development. Focus, meaningful communication, recognition of meaning. Application, communicative language teaching, CLT, real-life conversation. 6. Constructivist theory. Key ideas, learners build their own understanding through experience. Application learner-centered approaches, task-based learner project work. The next slide is practical application of applied linguistics. Applied linguistics plays a vital role in solving real-world language-related problems. There are key areas where its theories and research are directly applied to improve communication, learning, and social outcomes. 1. Language teaching and curriculum design. Application development effective teaching method based on how people actually learn language. Example is text-based language teaching (TBLT), communicative language teaching (CLT), differentiated instruction for multilingual classroom. 4. 2. AI and chatbots. Example, ChatGPT, Replika, Elsa Speak. Function engage learner in realistic conversation, provide feedback, pronunciation practice. Benefitnya improve fluency, support speaking practice without judgment. 3. Speed recognition and pronunciation search. Example-nya Google Voice, SpeechLink, Research Response. How it works-nya use phonetic analysis to detect pronunciation errors. Applied linguistic rule informed by phonology and phonetics. 4. Adaptive learning system. Example-nya Lingo and Busuu. How it helps it tracks learner progress and adapt context based on individual needs. Theoretical basic cognitive and conceptual theories. Online language classroom and platform. Example Zoom as a class. Equal Ripple features real-time interaction with native speaker or teacher. Linguistic focus promotes communicative competence and interaction-based learning. Virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR. Example is Monly VR. Immerse functionnya simulate immersive language environments. Application supportnya situs learning and real world language use. Application support situs learning and real world language use. 7. Corpus based tools. Example-nya Speed Engine to the purpose of contemporary American English. This analyze authentic language use to inform teaching and learning. Applied linguistic links help learners understand language in context, discourse, and pragmatics. 8. machine translation and language tools. Example, Google Translate evolved primarily in understanding, reading, and translating across language. Limitationnya, not always context sensitive, applied linguistics help improve accuracy. Benefitnya of technology in language learning, flexible, self-paced learning, instant feedback, access to authentic materials, increase motivation through interactivity. Part 2, storytelling. Introduction. When I first started teaching English in a rural school, I quickly realized that many of my students were struggling not just with grammar and vocabulary, but with understanding how language really works in real life context. They called memories word lead, but when it came to actual conversation, they first I fit up at first until I was introduced to applied linguistics. Understanding learner needs sociolinguistics and needs analytic theory. Applied linguistics emphasizes understanding learner's social background and specific language needs. Story. I had student Fatima who spoke perfect grammar in written text but never spoke in class group and all informant needs analysis. I realized her silent statement from Asianti the pronouns different from ethnic dialect by shifting my approach and incorporating speaking that value her dialect, we began to participate more. Error analysis and interlanguage theory. All teachers use that learner error aren't just mistakes. They reflect the learner's development language system. Story. One of my students kept saying he go to school every day. Rather than correcting her repeatedly, I analyzed her error. Applying the concept of interlanguage, I understand she was overgeneralizing the present simple rule. This helped me tailor my lesson to focus on subject-verb agreement more effectively. Next lagi komunikatif, kompeten, channel, and swine. Teorinya, teaching should focus not just on linguistic accuracy but on sociolinguistic strategy and discover competence. Storynya, I once taught English to a group of engineers preparing for international work. Traditional grammar focus listening then help them in meeting. I switched to role play and negotiation tasks based on our theories of communicative competence and results were remarkable. They gained confidence and fluence in workplace interaction. Thank you so much. Terima kasih.